Hi, my name is Karen and I'm part of the Tazy creative team. Today we're going to share with you how we transformed my very sad workspace into this beautiful and amazing office I'm about to share with you. Kids are going to go back to school real soon. They're going to have a space to do digital learning, and before we weren't able to accommodate that, so we decided to just put our brains together and come up with a plan, and that's the main reason. We just wanted to be able to have a nice, comfortable room that can support learning and also a comfortable place to work remotely. A project like this can be more affordable than you expect, and here are some ways we were able to accomplish that. We use these pine planks that cost less than $25 a piece. We opted for butcher blocks to function as a very large wall-to-wall desk. And finally, this gorgeous, high quality and very affordable Tazy rug that made the room look finished, cozy, and sophisticated. It made such a difference and we couldn't be happier with the results.